Looking for the right vehicle? Check out the 2021 Audi Q8. The Audi Q8 was built to stand out in a crowd, and it sure does. An aesthetically pleasing exterior, plenty of bells and whistles on the interior, and performance that makes you smile. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, panoramic roof, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, power lift gate, brake assist, traction control. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.